What is a smart contract? The smart contract is a set of instructions that can automatically execute when a certain event or a certain condition, such as a legal agreement, has occurred. Contractual clauses and functional outcomes are implemented as a logic, if this, then that scenario, on the blockchain. By having contract execution automated, transaction costs and dependencies on the other party's performance can be reduced. What are smart contracts used for? Smart contracts are used to digitally facilitate, verify, even enforce the negotiation of a contract. Smart contracts allow the execution of a transaction without third party or a middleman. Why are contracts important? Smart contracts help to solve the issue of mistrust between business entities and partners. Smart contracts have many advantages for a wide range of industries. Smart contracts reduce unnecessary costs and time expenditure spent dealing with a third party while enhancing transparency. Where are smart contracts stored? The contract is stored on the ledger on the blockchain. When a transaction happens, a function is invoked that calls the smart contract and the contract logic is executed. Smart contracts are stored on the blockchain because it is important for the contract to be available to the people making transactions. These transactions are trackable and irreversible. How are smart contracts validated? Smart contracts are also validated by a distributed consensus on a blockchain environment. Distributed means that everyone part of the network who witnesses the smart contract being executed must agree or reach a consensus with what is happening and simultaneously copy the execution in his or her copy of the block. Here are some advantages of smart contracts. Accuracy, because automated contracts are faster and more accurate compared to manually filled out forms. Smart contracts are also transparent as everyone can see them. Similarly, clear communication, speed, security, and efficiency are some of the main advantages of a smart contract. Can Bitcoin do smart contracts? Yes, Bitcoin can do smart contracts. However, Bitcoin blockchain is not known for its ability to enable smart contracts. In fact, most developers who like creating smart contracts use a different blockchain like Ethereum. Who invented smart contracts? Nick Szabo. Smart contracts were first proposed in 1994 by Nick Szabo, an American computer scientist who invented a virtual currency called BitGold in 1984. Yes, this was before Bitcoin was invented, nearly 10 years before the creation of Bitcoin. Are smart contracts reversible? Smart contracts are not reversible. In other words, once a contract is executed, it is not possible to undo the execution.